It's a bit rainy today, and a bit sleepy, a bit lonely. Alex not around. Yo, what up guys, this is Don from Jet, and today we are back with another episode of unboxing a shoe, sneakers. You can see it's a bit rainy today. If there is some sound of the storm, then you know lah. Okay, you can see today only me alone. Okay, Alex is not around. He's a bit busy nowadays. I don't know what he's busy about. I'm doing my business, but he's also very busy, more busy than me. Okay, so today you can see we are unboxing a black box. What shoe is this? I believe some of you know, some of you don't know. Okay, you can see here, you can see at the size chart here. Okay, this is Epic React 87 undercover. Okay, so let's open it up. I bought this shoe at the date of the release. I bought it at online, Nike online. Okay, this is my size. My size is US 8. I tried this shoe before. It's a bit loose for me, a little bit only. But take true to size or half size down should be nice. Alright, okay, let's talk about some of the background of this shoe. So first of all, the background of this shoe. Undercover is a brand. It's a brand, Japan brand, and the designer is named, you can see here, Jun Takashi. This brand is found on 1993. Then actually this brand is persuaded by the Japan designer of the CDG, Commerce de Garcon. It's a French brand, but the designer is Japanese. He persuaded him, Jun Takashi, to make this brand. Okay. What else? This brand is like gone popular at Paris Fashion Week at the year of 2002 or 2003. I'm not sure. Okay, so this is roughly the story of how Jun Takashi being famous. It start from Tokyo Fashion Week, then gone to Paris Fashion Week, then until now. Then he make like collab with Babe, with Nigo. When Nigo is still at Babe, they made a collab before, but after that Nigo is not in Babe anymore. Then that's it lah. So let's take a look on the shoe. This color is named Green Mist. Green Mist, yeah, Green Mist. It has 4 colors. I think this is the color that I love the most. Okay, you can see on the upper side, the material is transparent. Alright, the material is transparent, green transparent. Okay, and you can see the shoelace is brown color, and you can see there's one side here. The thing is like what do you call it? Reflective. Yeah, reflective. Okay, and as usual, they have the very not obvious logo, undercover logo here. Okay, and then let's see on the outsole. The midsole is covered with, it's not purely white, it's a little bit cream white, just a little bit. And the outsole, you can see below there's a transparent material. I think this is very hard to like take care of it. Okay, because it's transparent. Because once you wear transparent, it's going to be very yellowish. Okay, so you can see at the tongue here. The tongue is as usual. They have the Epic React writing there. And okay, let's see about the insole. Right, the insole. Should I take it out? Should I take it out? Okay. Can you see? The insole is, I don't know why they make it like a very thin insole, and it's a bit, you can see, with dot. and it's quite how to say, it's a bit different from the others insole. It's a bit new. I think it's a new technology. Okay, but it's, I don't know why. It's just like that. Okay. I would like just went off. No more battery ready, but it's okay. Let's continue. Alright. You can see on the material on the side, there's, I don't know, this is suede or what. I'm not sure, but at the white color here, I think it's how to say, sponge. I don't know lah. Something around that, between suede and sponge, something around that. It's very soft one material. And at here the brown color here, this is normal leather. Okay, they just add leather on it. And the transparent one is plastic. I feel like I'm touching a plastic. I don't know, like up to you guys. Plastic, well, anything will do. Okay. At behind here there's a swoosh. This is not embroidery. This is just they just print it up. Okay, this swoosh. Okay. This one made so this one, I think this is, they take it from the normal EP React. It's EP React material, alright. And the bottom, this one is not EP React material. I don't know what material is this. I'm not sure because this is very new to me. This is my first time seeing this React. Even I didn't seen any normal EP React before, but this is the first time I've touched EP React element undercover. Alright. So talking about the pricing of this EP React, Malaysia retail price is 669. I bought it 669 on Nike.com. For the Euro retail price is 170 US dollar. It's roughly around slight higher than Malaysia retail. That's normal because we don't have any more GST. Okay. But the resale price of this pair is over around 1,600 and within 1,006 and 1,008. But now the highest I see people get to sell is 2,000. So yeah, I bought it at a very cheap price. We have a retail price. But it's okay. Okay. Maybe God give me this luck. Because I pray for this EP React since August when I was birthday that month until now. Then finally I get it. I've been complaining here and there. Finally I get it. No need to complain anymore. But I got more shoes to get. Alright guys, this is our video. So if you like our video, please like and share to your friends. And if you don't like our video, please click the subscribe button and remember to turn on your ding on here. Alright, so see you guys next time. Bye. Yes!
Ever since I put the game in the chokehold, niggas informers, they running their mouth cause they running, they talk to the po-po. I'm an unpunchable.